Hello students, it's good that you have completed the 2 semesters and now you are entering into the third semester where you will be doing the specialization subject. Here we see that you have chosen the students counseling as your special subject for specialization. Now students are very much affected by the fears, generally fears around their examination, and also about meeting with the new authorities, and every layer of students like pre-primary section, middle school section and the high school sections have different kinds of problems. Besides this, there are students who have to enter into the new area of life by going abroad. So those are different kinds of problems that they will be facing, and there are also of course some apprehensions experienced by them. Students who have to leave their homes and go and live in the hostels, they have to also face new environments, new peer pressure and new kinds of habits they have to develop by, say, developing new way of living, as well as the food habits and all the other living habits where they may be required to share their rooms with the other students, etc. So all these are the environmental problems that the students are going to face. We study the students counseling in 3 different areas: middle school section, the pre-primary section, and the pre-primary and primary section, as well as the high school section and the college students. Now we have to understand one thing, that when we are entering into the third semester, we have already completed the first 2 semesters where you have learned about all the theories that can be applied for counseling, and you have also learned a number of techniques that we use for counseling. All these techniques and all these theories will be helpful to you to deal with these problems that you will be coming across while you do counseling for students. So the theories are the same. There is no difference or there is no new theory that has to be applied for students counseling. But it will be related to the specific problems that the students are experiencing. Now the special feature of the third semester is that you will be working with 2 students, and you will be recording the session by session your work done with them in the form of your portfolio. So there are minimum 12 of the sessions that you will be doing with one case and 12 sessions with the other case. So there are total 2 cases to be done and submitted in the form of your portfolio for your final evaluation. As you know, students counseling is costing you 8,000 rupees, and 500 rupees is for your certificate, which is given separately. It's not a part of the PG diploma in counseling, though it is a compulsory part of the entire PGCDC course that you have opted for. So you will be doing this course separately, and you are given the separate certificate for this course. It's mandatory to have at least one specialization subject which is a part of your entire PG CDC course. So if we will be sending you the notes, that will be more or less like a guideline for you to proceed with your work with the students. Don't expect any new theories or any new techniques that will be added to this. You have to use the same techniques and the same theories that you have already learned in the first 2 semesters. So you have to be very well prepared with those theories and those techniques. So this is how we go ahead with our third semester, and it should take about 3 to 4 months maximum to complete this course. Bye for now and wish you all the best. So carry on with your PGCDC.